Welcome to 6 Singapore Influencers Meetup. It's a fun, bonding, learning, productive girls' day out.
Today is Rippy's anniversary.
This part I'll definitely tell. Amazing tips by my favorite Hema, as always.
Your necklace is looking very nice. But I love your skirt. Look at that.
Biryani concept. Thank you so much, guys. I want to say it's amazing. Holistic, sustainable. Also health tips.
Being Andy's social media.
You know what? She got a plant, literally a plant, and showed us that this is the insulin plant. Today, finally, eventually, I came to know how it works.
Hema is always a very inspiring woman for everyone. So much fun.
वेलकम टू हैप्पीनेस विद हेमा। और आज का व्लॉग बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है बिकॉज इस व्लॉग में वी आर गोइंग फॉर अ 6 इंस्टा बडी मीटअप। सो आई एम अ फाउंडर मेंबर ऑफ दिस ग्रुप और ये ग्रुप मैंने शुरू किया था बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू हेल्प ऑल द अपकमिंग इन्फ्लुएंसर्स। कल को ये इन्फ्लुएंसर्स जब बहुत बड़े हो जाएंगे ना, दे विल रिमेंबर मी एंड दे विल थैंक मी व्हेनेवर आई ऐड ईच वन ऑफ देम इन माय ग्रुप। आई ऑलवेज विश देम लॉट ऑफ सक्सेस। सो इस सोच के साथ, इस थॉट के साथ मैंने इस फाउंडेड दिस ग्रुप एंड दिस ग्रुप इज गेटिंग बिगर एंड टुडे वी आर हैविंग एक्चुअली 6 इंस्टा बडी मीटअप जो कि सेमी स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय बिरयानी कॉन्सेप्ट एंड वी ऑल आर मीटिंग देयर। और आज बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज मैंने वहां रखी हैं। कुछ चीजें मैं आपको बताती हूँ चलते चलते। दिस इज माई ड्रेस ऑफ द डे और आज एक्चुअली सभी को आपने देखा होगा मैं बहुत ब्लिंग 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 कर रही हूँ। सो एक्चुअली आज का थीम हमने रखा है स्पार्कलिंग एंड ब्लिंग। सो कुछ और सरप्राइजेस हैं जो मैं आपको जाके बताऊंगी। ठीक है, चलिए। सो आप देख रहे होंगे इतना भारी भरकम बैग। इतना भारी भरकम बैग। एक्चुअली आज बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज हैं। कुछ मैंने DIY सिखाना है उनको, अपने ऑल फ्रेंड्स को। देन माय फ्रेंड सुची इज आल्सो गोइंग टू शेयर सम वेरी गुड टिप्स अबाउट गूगल रिव्यूज एंड यू कैन सी दैट समथिंग आई एम कैरिंग फ्रॉम हियर। You see? Stay tuned till the end because वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है अंत तक।
मालिक से कलेक्ट करवाया था।
इसका राज भी आप वही देखेंगे क्या है ये। ठीक है, बिकॉज आई कुछ फ्रेंड्स मुझे यहाँ पे कहते हैं सिंगापुर का वेलनेस गुरु। सो अलाइन विद दैट मैं कुछ ऐसा टिप देने वाली हूँ रिलेटेड विद दिस। आप लोग रिसर्च कर सकते हैं कि क्या प्लांट है ये। ओके, कमेंट करके मुझे बताइए इफ़ यू नो व्हाट प्लांट इज दिस। विद अ ब्यूटिफुल रेड फ्लावर। ये देख रहे हैं आप, बैग हेमा के नाम का। दिस बैग वॉज एक्चुअली आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम फ्रांस। माई सन गॉट दिस फॉर मी। फ्रांस में हेमा नाम की एक ब्रांड है भाई। तो आज का जो थीम है वो है ब्लिंग ब्लिंग। तो मैंने ऑन द स्पॉट सबको बोला है कि थोड़ा सा स्पार्कली, थोड़ा सा ब्लिंग ब्लिंग पहन के आइएगा। सो अगर आप देख रहे हैं ना, मैं बहुत सारी ब्लिंगी लग रही हूँ। इट्स नॉट जस्ट फॉर मी बिकॉज मैं आई एम गोइंग टू गिव दिस फ्यू थिंग्स टू माई फ्रेंड्स जो ब्लिंग ब्लिंग को अरेंज नहीं कर पाई, क्योंकि हमने एकदम सडन स्पॉन्टेनियस प्लान मैंने मैसेज डाला था कि कुछ स्पार्कली पहन के आइए। एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू हैव फैशन शो। यस, वी आर गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज सम नाइस कैट वॉक फैशन शो एट बिरयानी कॉन्सेप्ट। एंड वहाँ बहुत सारी गप्पे होंगी, बहुत सारी मस्ती होगी, बहुत सारा फोटो सेशन होगा, बहुत सारी लर्निंग होगी, बहुत सारी एक्सचेंज ऑफ शेयरिंग ऑफ how to grow in life also, and in LinkedIn, in Instagram, in like all social media platforms, how you can grow. इसके भी कुछ lessons होंगे। So आज का दिन बहुत special होने वाला है। Today again it's raining, weather is amazing, perfect weather to have biryani, right? And also to hang out with your friends. If you're somebody new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and stay tuned till the end because video बहुत interesting होने वाला है। And जब तक मैं टैक्सी का वेट कर रही हूँ, सोचा ज़रा आपको सिंगापुर का मौसम दिखाया जाए। क्या खूबसूरत वेदर है। देखिए खूब सारे ड्रिजल हो रहा है, ड्रिजलिंग हो रही है, क्लाउडी है। सो एक्चुअली परफेक्ट वेदर फॉर बिरयानी। सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर माई टैक्सी। सो सोचा थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को नज़ारा दिखा दें आज के मौसम का। बहुत ही प्यारा मौसम है एंड आई नो इंडिया में काफ़ी विंटर्स हैं और बारिशें भी हो रही हैं. सो सिंगापुर ने सोचा हम कैसे पीछे रह जाएं. तो सिंगापुर पे भी काफ़ी दिनों से लगातार बारिश हो रही है. अच्छा ठंडा मौसम है. नॉर्मली यहाँ पे काफ़ी ह्यूमिड और वेटी होता है. सो आई एम जस्ट लविंग इट बिकॉज मैं तो हूँ हिमाचल से और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है विंटर्स. आई रियली मिस विंटर्स. सिंगापुर में अगर मैं एक चीज़ मिस करती हूँ ना जो नहीं है वो है विंटर्स. सो आई एम जस्ट लविंग इट. सो कुछ किसी ने गेस किया ये प्लांट के बारे में? प्लीज़ कमेंट में लिख के मुझे बताइए बिकॉज अभी मैं लास्ट में ये एक्सपोज करने वाली हूँ कि व्हाट प्लांट इज़ दिस इन द सेम वीडियो. स्टे ट्यून टिल द एंड. कहीं जाइएगा मत. हमारी यहाँ की फिशेस भी बहुत खुश हैं. ओके मिलते हैं थोड़ा ब्रेक के बाद. टैक्सी आ गई है. अभी मिलते हैं सीधा बिरयानी कॉन्सेप्ट के पास. So I arrived this place. Thank you so much for dropping.
Have a good day, great time, and good year ahead.
Thank you so much. And look at the weather. Thank you for a nice drive in this good, lovely
Thank you.
weather of Singapore.
Thank you, madam.
Okay. So I arrived to my destination. So ये जो स्क्रीन में लिखा है ये आप एड्रेस नोट कर लीजिए अगर आपको यहाँ पे आना है. Fun fact, did you know biryani tastes even better when served with side of laughter and great company? That's exactly हम करने वाले हैं. So बिरयानी की मज़ेदार बाइट्स और इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के धांसू इनसाइट्स. ये मीटअप एक फुल धमाल होने वाला है. सो स्टे ट्यून टिल द एंड. देखते रहिए, बने रहिए एंड डोंट मिस आउट द एम्बियंस, ब्यूटीफुल एम्बियंस ऑफ दिस रेस्टोरेंट. हाय प्रियंका. हेलो. हाय. Because I'm also making the first person arrived with me. Hello. Good. I think we'll make you a special claps for you because you're arriving on time.
Oh,
thanks. I absolutely appreciate people who come on time. And not there on time.
Exactly 12.
Till we were settling, I thought to ask some questions from Mr. Sarang, who was serving us. So this branch of yours is how old?
1 year, 6 months.
1 year, 6 months. Okay. I have heard you have more branches here in Singapore, Biryani Concept. Maybe sister branches?
The main branch is Mr. Biryani.
Mr. Biryani where?
Little India.
Little India.
Yeah,
Okay.
like you know the.
Yeah. Hi. So Nilofer here.
Hi, Kashmira.
Kashmira. Meeting first time Kashmira. So धीरे धीरे सभी friends आ गए हैं and that's my best buddy Suchi. And next to her is Nilofer and I'm going to let others introduce themselves.
I'm Manjima. Kashmira. Priyanka. Namrata. Ripi. Shalima. Charu. Megha.
And Nilo.
Nilofer.
And my dear Suchi.
Yeah. Hi and one more. Hi. Yes.
So guys, welcome to 6th Insta Buddy Meetup.
So excited to meet again, and this time we have a big group.
And perfect weather for a biryani, right? And after a fun photo session, we settled ourselves. और सभी जब बैठ गए तो I started my session by pepping up everyone. So in my introductory speech, I shared what was the reason to create this community. And I'm also sharing कि जब भी मैं इस ग्रुप में किसी को ऐड करती हूँ तो मेरी intentions क्या होती हैं. You are just struggling to understand कैसे क्या, how, what, all that stuff. So this group is basically for that. So I wish you all very good luck. And कल को जब तुम लोग star बन जाओगे ना, so don't remember us. We have to remember we are a team. So we are a tribe. We have to help each other no matter what. Okay? So we are like team up with Suchi and so many things. We are started doing some great collaborations. Nilofer is part of that. Ramya is part of that. Rash is part of that. So many times Ripi is part of that. So it has always been a very pleasure. It's a very beautiful moment when I go out and help somebody and they learn some tips and tricks. कि अच्छा ये भी करना है, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. Because when we interact, we learn that. कहते हैं ना organic way में we learn that. और वो करने से ही आता है. So they say ना swimming भी तभी आएगा जब आप तैरोगे. So it's like that. So I'll start my session with this wellness session which I wanted to quickly wrap up in 5 minutes. With this plant. Anyone knows what is this? What plant is this? Chalo, you.
So I told them to form a group and find out from internet about this. And all this while, my efficient friend Suchi took over for our food orders in a very planned way.
Are you comfortable in 5 groups? Group of 5 there, and the rest will be 2 then. Okay? Should we do 1 plus 1 here?
Can I suggest one thing?
Yes, Ripi,
Can
please.
we do, if there are only vegetarian people, can they do it like that?
So it does
That
not
will be great.
really- Yeah, it's okay. The group of 5, that's for the vegetarians. Are you okay?
So Suchi is very efficient, so उसने फटाफट से सारा order sort out किया and we are moving ahead.
And one request, don't go without paying, okay girls?
Well, plant के बारे में काफ़ी रिसर्च हुई, काफ़ी देखा गया इंटरनेट से, but they were not able to figure out. Some have given a wild guesses, but let's see what it is.
Costus, COSTUSIGNEUS, and it is called insulin plant. वो नाम जो कि हमें सबको पता होना चाहिए, हमें इसको Costus ignis या फिर beehive gingerly वो फैंसी नाम से हम देखते हैं, सुनते हैं, and we just like admire and we walk off. But अगर हम normally इसको बोले insulin plant तो सबका नजर रहेगा क्या है, then you are more curious to try and know about it. So now you know, please try it. Okay? Thanks for sharing. My pleasure. My pleasure. You don't know like how much. Get it everywhere. समझ में बहुत लगे हुए हैं.
Moving ahead with another DIY wellness tip.
Nature's painkiller. So मैंने अभी recently आयुर्वेदा जो कहते हैं ना आयुर्वेदा teaches you कि आप पहले अभी बीमार ना पड़े तो उसके लिए. So you don't have to get sick and try all these things. You can try any time and these are tried and tested by me from many years. So मैं इसीलिए बहुत confidence से आप लोगों को बता सकती हूँ. ठीक है? So this remedy which I'm going to tell you is for if you have a back pain, if you have a bone joint pains, if you have a like you know inflammation, बाहर वाला inflammation नहीं, अंदर जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर होता है ना inflammation, sometimes you have a stomach inflammation, you have chumps के दौरान you get a lot of pains and all that. So during that time also, so this drink is going to be wonderful. तो इसमें है क्या? Dry ginger, okay, and this is my favorite thing like nature has. Castor oil. It is from scoop. ठीक है? तो स्कूप से मैं ये अपना कैस्टर ऑयल का जो कोटा है वो, what you have to do is I'm going to make a concoction of this. How you can make this concoction so that you can take care of your pain. So आपको सिर्फ 5 ग्राम, you know, तो 5 ग्राम will be like just this much. You put. So this is a dry ginger. जिसे वो क्या कहते हैं? Salt भी कहते हैं. Then again you put same amount of oil. समझ लीजिए 7-8 drops, okay, and you mix it in a lukewarm water. फिर आप लोगों ने सुना है ना tequila shots and all shots. This is a best shot जो कि आपकी inflammation को एकदम ठीक कर देगा. And then have it. Simply keep giving good doses of things to your body, but in a break. So इसको cheers to all of you. So now you know this recipe. I hope you're going to try on yourself, your husbands, your grandparents, your mothers, your fathers. उनको बताइए ये. This is a remedy for inflammation inside inflammation, for back pains, for joint pains. So this is like a natural painkiller. Okay, empty stomach always works. So कोई भी इस टाइप की आप चीज लेते हो, take it in an empty stomach. Then it will work. वो कहते हैं ना वो अंदर तक जाती है, फिर absorption अच्छा होता है.
So after I wrap up my session, then we had a session from Miss Suchi. So she is a top level Singapore Google reviewer and she got 31 million views. So she shared her insight, her wisdom about Google review, how it can make you so powerful in social media visibility. Well, I cannot thank Suchi enough to be my rock and an incredible teammate. Her unconditional support and positivity lights up the mood of everyone, including me.
Instagram or be in any social media. Okay, so today we decided to attend this topic. I have 158,000 followers on.
Cheers for that, girls.
So we not say that we are very big influencers. We only decided to attend this topic because somehow.
And next up was Q&A session. We both conducted Q&A. On the spot, we cleared many questions, doubts from our budding influencers, addressed many questions from them and hopefully given them new insights about social media. ये सेशन एक बिग हिट था, was going on and on. बहुत सारे सवाल थे और हमारे जवाब थे, लेकिन हमें इसे अपने नेक्स्ट मीटअप के लिए पोस्टपोन करना पड़ा क्योंकि बहुत सारी मस्ती, गप्पे और बिरयानी हमारा इंतजार कर रही है। दोस्तों का साथ हो, बारिश का मौसम हो, ऐसे में बिरयानी का नाम सुनते ही पेट से ज्यादा दिल खुश हो जाता है और ऐसे खूबसूरत दोस्तों की कंपनी में तो हर बाइट और भी टेस्टी लगती है। आई थिंक ऑल दोज हु आर वाचिंग दे ऑल एग्री विद मी ऑन दिस। और दोस्तों, बिरयानी का मज़ा सिर्फ स्वाद में नहीं बल्कि उस महफिल में होती है जिस महफिल में उसे खाया जाता है, दोस्तों के साथ, खुशियों के साथ, हंसी के साथ। Yeah, so Suchi, I think today's session was quite enriching, right?
It is a very fulfilling experience because many of our Insta buddies are here to collaborate, connect with each other, learn more from each other. So it was very, very nice.
Hi, my name is Namrata and today we are here doing 6th Insta Buddy meetup and we are all having fun. It's amazing. Thank you, Hema and Suchi.
Hi, this is Shalima Motial, and what I liked about today's Insta Buddies meet was the tips that we got on how to handle Instagram and also health tips. So stay blessed, stay healthy, and thank you so much, Hema.
Hi, I'm Charu, founder of Himalayan. I love to meet. I'm so grateful to Hema and Suchi for starting Buddies, Insta Buddies Meet. And Brand Concepts Rock, it is amazing place. So yeah, cheers for Miss Suchi and Hema. Thank you.
Hi, it's Priyanka here. Love the meeting, love the social media tips and the holistic sustainable living. Thank you.
What to say?
What to say?
Hi, Kashmira here.
Hi, Kashmira. Yeah.
Thanks, Hema and Suchi for giving us so many information. And we are at Biryani Concept. Thank you so much, guys.
Did you loved it? Was it?
We learned so many things today.
That's nice.
Hi, I'm Jyoti here.
So Jyoti, did you like the today's session meetup?
Yes, it is very nice and session is also good. Thank you so much, Hema. Hello, I'm Priyanka. Thank you so much, Hema, for a wonderful session. Nice
Thank
to meet
you, Priyanka.
Hi, Hema. This is Shubhi. Thank you so much for calling us here. The session was awesome.
Shubhi, can you stand up for your skirt? I love your skirt. Look at that. Because today was a very instant and thank you so much for being in a element.
This girl was trying to come out of the cupboard.
Yes, perfect day, yeah? Yes.
Hi, I'm Sujata. Thank you, Hema, for having me here today. I'm just enjoying the party. I'm glad to meet you all.
Thank you and you're looking lovely. Yes.
Hi, Hema. This is Nino.
There's a good food, great information, and best of all, really good company.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Manchima. Thanks, Hema, for having me here at Biryani Concepts. Food is really awesome and the paneer biryani is just another level. Just loving it.
And Manjima, let me tell you, your necklace is looking very nice.
And I love Insta Buddies. I love all the cuties one of the group. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Pooja. Yes, Deepti.
Hi, I'm Deepti. Today's session was truly amazing because I've always used the insulin plant in my flower arrangements, but little did I know that it has such amazing wellness properties. As well as it was really nice to have learned a lot of tips and tricks to be able to improve our social media visibility. Thank you, Hema. Thank you, Miss Shuchi, for putting this great afternoon together. And I want to thank all the girls who came and joined and made it really, really fun.
Did you enjoy it?
I loved it. I loved it. Every bit of it. So much fun. Mwah.
Yes.
Hi, hello everyone. So it's a very nice session. Hema is always a very, inspiring woman for everyone. So she today's this concept DIY hack to head. It's very very meaningful. I didn't know that such plant also exists. I'm knowing it for the very first time. Also, Biryani Concepts is a completely biryani concepted restaurant here in Singapore, which is a very good thing. So I don't know about this restaurant also. It's very nice to know about different kinds of biryanis. I have never tried jackfruit biryani before. That is also available here. So definitely have to visit this place. And also I love you, Hema, for everything you do.
By the way, guys, she's Nilofer.
Nilofer. I'm travel plus food blogger in Singapore.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Hema, for taking efforts, time, and everything to make these kind of refreshing activities. It will help us to know each other, and also instead of just liking and commenting on IGs, these type of engagement events help us to meet and know each other. Thank you so much, Hema. Thank you so
It's
much.
a real connections.
Yeah,
right?
real connection.
And I like your this.
Thank you so much, Hema.
Trust me.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Megha, and thanks a lot Hema for calling us here. And this event was amazing because we tried with so many biryanis, and we are here at this biryani concept where you will get different varieties of biryanis. You can say the kachal biryani, vegetarian biryani, paneer biryani, and lot more. And again, I'm thankful to all my team members because we are here to encourage each other and motivate
Uplift each other.
Yeah,
Yes.
of course.
Did you find this session helpful?
A lot, and thanks a lot again to Hema and Suchi because there were so many queries and there were so many things which I was not knowing it. And today, finally, eventually, I came to know how it works.
Wow, I'm so glad that you got to know. Maybe you write a blog about it. By the way, Megha is a very good blogger, and she is going to be starting his blogging journey big way.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Or something.
So I'm Megha Dil Se.
Megha Dil Se. Here you go.
Hi, my name is Rippy and I'm part of the Insta Buddies Meet. Today is our 6th Insta Buddies Meet at Biryani Concept. And I'm basically a lifestyle blogger. I talk about parenting, self-care, corporate tips. And today was a wonderful day because we met so many new people. I think today was the biggest group that we had. We had some amazing tips by my favorite Hema, as always. She got a plant, literally a plant, and showed us that this is the insulin plant. It was so sweet. And the other thing she told us about the pain management tips. I think that's one I'm going to try.
Natural painkiller.
Natural painkiller. That's the one I'm going to try. And of course, Shruti shared some useful insights on how to manage your collaborations, how to grow more together as a community. And it's a great time we spend together as always with friends and making and meeting new people.
And I like Rippy, this whole blingy look. I know it was a last moment.
Today morning, and I had to change my wardrobe because of Hema. But I'm glad I did.
And you are looking gorgeous, really.
Thank you.
So with biryani and some reflection, now it's time to rock and roll, some fashion walk. Well, fashion show बहुत हिट रहा, बहुत मजा आया. And after that we start gathering for a group picture. लेकिन हमारे बड़े ग्रुप के लिए कमरा थोड़ा छोटा पड़ गया. So I guided all to head out for a group picture.
So we had lovely time in this place called Biryani Concept, and it was a lovely ramp walk, biryani, learning session, and lot of fun sharing session. And now we all are going to gather together for a group picture. For a group picture. Everybody visited?
Yeah.
Let me check. Hold for me. So guys, this 6 buddy meetup was quite productive. What do you say? Yay! Cheers to Girls Power. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Just show your face. Bye bye. And this was बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है सुंदर लड़कियों की बहार आई हुई है.
Let's take a picture also here.
I hope guys you like this vlog. Stay tuned for the next one.
Yay!
ये कांजी जो घर से बनाई है अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को टेस्ट करानी हुई है. अपने पापी हाथों से बनी हुई कांजी पापी नहीं. And this is my share and Suchi's share. Okay?
इस वीडियो का लिंक मैं कैप्शन में शेयर कर दूंगी so that you can make your own kanji and take care of your gut health.
Suchi, you also taste. It's okay. ये जरूर पीनी चाहिए. This is again very good for your gut. They create a happy, healthy bacteria in your gut. और इसमें कुछ भी आर्टिफिशियल नहीं है. ओके, ऑन द स्पॉट मैं रेसिपी देती हूँ, बट मैं बताऊँ मैंने डिटेल रेसिपी बनाई है यूट्यूब में. बट इसमें है येलो मस्टर्ड, देन इट हैज़ बीट रूट, चकुंदर कहते हैं बीट रूट, एंड देन दैट लाल वाली इंडियन गाजर, नॉट दैट ऑरेंज वाली. सो हिमालयन सॉल्ट एंड पेपर. ठीक है, अब कितना कॉन्कशन डालना है वो सब मैं आपको बताऊंगी. इट्स वेरी इजी, जस्ट ऐसे 2 मिनट में बन जाती है. सो ये आप डालते हैं, बनाते हैं मिक्स करके, एंड देन इट फर्मेंट. और ये जो फर्मेंटेशन है इसको वो खट्टा बट्टा जो टेस्टी सा बना रही है, दैट्स दैट.
I like that mustard part. The mustard.
Mustard.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Every day you can take, every day.
Two days.
It takes 3 days if it's a good sun. Yeah. और फिर उसी फर्मेंटेशन में आप रीफिल करके बनाते रहो अपना, यू नो. सो आई डू दैट. Today is Rippy's anniversary. Rippy,
Thank you, Hema. 27 years of sheer bliss.
so wishing you lot of love, happiness, togetherness with your husband. And I see how loving he is. I know that.
Thank you so much.
Convey to him, okay?
I will.
And tell him to make our friend happy forever.
This part I'll definitely tell him.
You better.
Thank you.
सो बिरयानी कॉन्सेप्ट में हमारा ये 6 मीटअप बहुत सक्सेसफुल रहा. और जाते हुए हमने सोचा चलो पिकनिक बनाते हुए पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ करते हुए चला जाए.
And again, like the school girls, we are going back.
Going back home after the picnic.
They're going back after biryani party.
Yes. So guys, I always love to take public transportation because public transportation is more comfortable, more accessible. Singapore में यही सबसे best part is that it's very easy and very convenient,
Comfortable, aircon is on.
nice and cozy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So what we have to do, Suchi?
Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and see you. Stay blessed.
So stay blessed and catch you for the next interesting video. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you would like to see, because recently I am doing quite a lot of hidden gems in Singapore which no one is talking about. So they are small little cute places, and if you're staying here for very long you can always go and explore those places.
Right.
Okay. So Biryani Concept was also one of it.
Right.
But here we were here for a lot of fun. So this place is very outskirt, this biryani concept
Yeah,
one.
it's an upper East Coast Road.
Okay. And so this is not in the center of Singapore, but it's a very lovely place. Their hospitality, everything was.
If you're somebody watching my video first time, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching till the end.